that time.
My period.
Hi, MalPals and NewPals. Today I have for you, since you loved the full body, low impact workout so much, I guess now 2 weeks ago that I filmed, I thought that I would do a specific lower body, low impact workout for those of you who are beginners or you have joint problems like I do, still coming off a flare-up. So these type of low impact workouts are great for when even your joints are inflamed. So, you know, unless you're really bedridden in pain, it's good to get up and move and lube up those joints and get the blood flow to the joints so you have healing new blood. So don't be afraid to move a little when you are, you know, struggling with your health, joints are in pain, or you're having a flare-up or something like that, because it's really important to stay as active as possible, not meaning like kill yourself, but to stay active so your body can replenish itself with fresh new blood. So today, all you need is your body. I just have a mat, and if you want to, you can add a band. I'm using the Gymshark heavy band today just because I want a little more resistance, but this is such a great workout even if you have no resistance at all. You can add weights to this workout, or you can take 3 to 4 movements from this workout and make this your glute activation workout. Let's get started. It's a 10-minute complete follow along, so you can follow along this entire workout, rest periods and all. So we're gonna do 40 seconds on, 20 seconds rest for each movement. So it's gonna be really nice and light. I wanna say thank you to Bellway for sponsoring a portion of this video, because they have now released a plant-based protein. You guys know that I love their fiber, their collagen. This stuff is incredible. Fiber is such an important aspect of health and diet to stay clean and functional, and also Bellway's psyllium husk really helps you remain feeling full. You know, it's a big part of having enough fiber in your diet so you're not craving carbs for no reason. This stuff is incredible because one scoop, the macros on this, to me, as someone who's like very macro focused, because I like to know number wise, one scoop is 120 calories, 5 carbs. Usually proteins will have 10 to 15 carbs. This has 5, and 20 grams of protein. It's got iron, zinc, selenium, and pea protein. It's completely vegan and sweetened with monk fruit extract. Yes, please. Comes in vanilla and chocolate. So today I think I'm gonna do chocolate after my workout. Once my body starts processing protein, I can feel a little sluggish, so I like to do it afterward for really great muscle recovery. So this protein has the Bellway Super Fiber plus plant protein. It is vegan, organic, all natural, prebiotic protein powder. There's no sugar or gluten, thank God. It's keto friendly, and also it's great for starting your morning off, breaking your fast, and it's a natural detox because of the psyllium husk. And just like with all the Bellway products, you can get 20% off your first order with my code Mallory20. So let's get through this workout. It's gonna take you about 10 minutes, okay, maybe a little over. If you want to, you can repeat this and add as many repetition situations as you want, but this is a nice 10-minute circuit, so let's get started. Starting off, we're gonna do 40 seconds of standing hip abductions. Like I said, you can use a band or just body weight here. Either way, you are going to feel a major burn. Really focus on the outside of the glute and squeeze. These are a great way to grow your glutes without having to bend your knees in a squat. Now take 20 seconds of rest. You can kind of do some dynamic movement, or you can do some light stretching. Here I'm just doing some calf raises. Chewy will not stop, so he's a part of this voiceover right now. Now back at the standing hip abductions, and we are doing the right side here. So same thing, just focus on that outer glute and squeeze as you raise your leg up. You can do anything for 40 seconds. You got this. Ooh, but does it burn? And I could not wait for this 20-second rest. Let me tell you, my glutes are on fire right now. So I'm just kind of doing some light dynamic movement and stretching my hip flexors. This would also be a great time to take a sip of water, whatever you need. Next, we are doing single leg hip thrusts, starting on the left side for 40 seconds. These burn, burn, burn. And with these, unlike doing a hip thrust with both of your feet on the ground, you really want to thrust from the rib cage down to really engage the glutes. Press through that heel. Now time to really kind of stretch it out. Take a breather. Those are tough for 40 seconds straight, let me tell you. Get your light stretching in and find a piece of dog food on the floor and give it to your dog. Now back at it again, 40 seconds, single leg hip thrust, except we are doing the right side this time. Really push through that heel to engage that glute and thrust from the bottom of the rib cage down. You got this. We are a little over halfway through. Checking the clock because I am ready for this 20 seconds of rest. Stretching my glutes. This is a great time to also give yourself a little spine massage, especially on that lower back. We're really working that lower back as well as the upper glutes with those hip thrusts. Now for a little bit of a challenge. We're doing a wall sit for 1 minute. Again, you can use a band or nothing at all. Either way, you will feel this burn. You can sink lower for it to be tougher or stand up a little more to make it a little easier. These are a great alternative to squats because you are not constantly bending those knees. You are just in a static pose that really, really engages the glutes, the hamstrings, and the quads. Think of something lovely and happy because this burns. I mean, really think of something happy because this is burning. And if you do have a band on, go ahead and try to open your knees a little bit for even more of a burn on those glutes. We're almost there. That 1 minute's almost up. Time for a glorious 20-second rest. Kick it out, stretch it out, grab some water, give yourself a hug or a high five, honestly. This stretch feels so good, let me tell you. Last but not least, we're going to do some static lunges, starting on the left side for 40 seconds. This is much lower impact than doing a full lunge because you are not putting that extra pressure on the forward knee as you step forward. So we're just doing static movement here to really engage the quads and the glutes. Make sure your knee stays above your ankle. Really, really press through that front foot. Rest for 20 seconds. You did an incredible job. One of my favorite stretches just to kind of get some fluid back to the spine. Kind of, stretch out those glutes a little bit. Because girl, we're going right back to it. 40 seconds, static lunge, except on the right side this time. Another hot tip for lunges is keep the spine straight. Try not to lean too forward or arch your back too much, or you won't feel it in the quads or the glutes. Sink straight down, keeping that tailbone pointed down to the ground. This isn't about a booty pop right now. This is about engaging the correct muscles and not injuring your lower back. You're almost there. You're almost to that tasty 20 seconds of rest. And here we are. Take that 20 seconds, really breathe, stretch it out in any way. Take a few paces around your room, get a drink of water, celebrate what you have just accomplished. Because, honey, it is now round 2. Starting on that left side again for 40 seconds, standing hip abductions. Your glutes should be on fire. You got this. We're almost halfway through. A little over halfway through. You can hold on to something for better balance. Almost to that 20 seconds rest. Now rest for 20 seconds. Get that water. Give yourself that hug. Breathe. You're really doing a great job. Who said 10 minutes could not be difficult? All right, 40 seconds on the right side, standing hip abductions. You've got this. This is the last round. Only doing this twice. Really engage and squeeze as you press up, especially if you don't have any resistance bands. You could even hold your leg up a little longer for more resistance with your own body weight. You're over halfway through this last hip abduction. You got this. Look, I definitely felt that. I had to take a second of a break. Almost to that 20-second break. And now. I was going to count down, but I didn't know the exact countdown. I like to stretch out the side glute after that. It feels so incredible. In just a few seconds here, we're going to get right back to it. Ready? Single leg hip thrust, 40 seconds, left side, press through that heel, really driving that other leg up. Remember, thrust from the lower rib cage down. Almost halfway through this. So last time on the left side. Checking that clock. I want it to end. And take a 20-second rest. Bring those knees into that chest. Trust me on this one. Just actually follow my lead on this rest because it's going to feel so good, and give your lower back a nice massage against the ground. Go in circles in one direction and the other. Get right back to it. To the other side for 40 seconds. You've got this. Really push through that heel. Squeeze those glutes as you drive that other foot upward. I don't know how many times I checked the clock on this one, but we are almost at our rest in like 5 seconds. I'll take a rest. Again, circles, massage that lower back. Feels so good after those, trust me. Take a nice spinal twist. Now we're back at it with the static lunges, starting on the right side. Get in the right position if you are on camera. There we go. Remember, spine straight, driving the tailbone to the floor. keeping that knee over that ankle. Just think, you know, really great 90-degree angles with the legs right now. We are almost to that 20-second rest. Here we go. Walk it out, shake it out. Think happy thoughts. Stretch out those hip flexors, whatever you need to do, because girl, we're going right back to it on the left side. I know you can't see, but I'm driving 90-degree angles with those legs. And now, take a rest. Stretch it out. I love this stretch. This is why I put this other rest in here twice, because I forgot to film the other rest time if you really want to know the truth. But these are great stretches. All right, last wall sit, 1 minute. You can really make this tough and sink lower, or if you need a little less resistance, stand up a little further up, you know what I mean? Or even more glute engagement, really drive those knees outward if you have a band on. And breathe. You're more than halfway through this wall sit. Sink lower if you want. You can challenge yourself or not. Really listen to your body here, because this is the end of the workout. 10 minutes, you did it. Just you and your body. And you are through, girl. Now go give yourself a hug. Okay, so we just finished the 10-minute-ish workout. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Follow along. If you did, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on all your notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. Because if you enjoyed the follow along rather than just the workouts, not a plan, that I've been giving you, then be sure to let me know in the comments and by liking and all the good stuff. This, I do want to say, and some of you have pointed this out when I've talked about this, it says it right on Bellway's packaging though, you need to wait at least 2 hours before or after taking their fiber supplements if you are on any type of medication, because it might interfere with the absorption of your medication. So just so you know that. Usually 2 scoops, that's the norm. 2 scoops of a protein powder is 20 to 25 grams of protein. This is just 1, okay? So you can get it down. Again, and I'm getting this everywhere because I'm a messy person. This is the same as their other fiber supplements. You need to drink this fast because the psyllium husk does congeal. I've got my water bottle here. I'm gonna fill it up. But what I do love about their supplements is, honestly, a stir is all you need. So good. You don't get that weird, like, fake sweetener taste with their products, which I love, like that weird aftertaste. So another great thing about having to drink these so fast is they taste delicious, so it's not gonna make you like gag. Like I said, it comes in vanilla and chocolate. I love both. Today I'm craving chocolate, girl. We're close, you know, to that time.
My period.
Thank you so much, Bellway, for sponsoring a portion of this video and this workout. You can repeat this another time, 3 sets of this circuit, or just follow along for 10 minutes. And I promise you, like, I'm sweaty and I was struggling with that last wall sit. So it's gonna get you fired up and ready to go. Even if you're just short on time, it's a great workout. Every workout that I share, by the way, it's not just something that I don't do. I actually use these workouts and implement these movements into my everyday workout routine. Very important to keep moving, keep that blood flow. Have a good one, stay healthy, get your fiber, get some Bellway, get 20% off, Mallory 20, link below.